Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about extraction of metals from their ores, and we are going to discuss about the low reactive metal. First is mercury and then second is copper. So mercury is present in sulfide form. So first of all roasting is to be done for it. So we'll just add oxygen and heat it. So what will happen? It will form into the oxide. It will convert it into oxide form and sulfur dioxide is separated. But still we can see that mercury is not separated out. So mercury oxide, now it is heated again and it becomes Hg plus O2. Right. So this mercury we separated. So the very first process to understand is, if there is a sulfide or roasting is to be done. What is roasting? Heating in presence of oxygen. This is the very first thing is to be understood. Right. Now when we are talking about copper, so how to extract copper? So copper is also present in Cu2s form, cupric sulfide form. It is also sulfide ore, and here copper which is present is having +1 valency. A copper exists in +1 and +2 form, but while extraction of copper it is present in +1 form only. So what we do, we again, if it is sulfide ore, it is again roasted in presence of oxygen and then it is heated and it becomes copper oxide, cupric oxide and sulfur dioxide. Right. So this cuprous oxide is now again treated with cupric sulfide, because here we can see that here we do not observe any copper separated out, right? So again what we have to do is we have to separate out copper from it. So we'll treat it with cupric sulfide and it becomes copper and sulfur dioxide is separated out. So the important thing is to understand is, now copper is separated from here and it is in +2 form then. So now we have discussed about two things, like extraction of low reactive elements, that is mercury, and another one is copper. Now we have to understand one thing, like what is roasting? Roasting is what? Heating in presence of oxygen. Heating in presence of oxygen. So and some other less reactive elements like gold, platinum, silver, these all are present in their native state, right? So we don't have to separate them out. Thank you.